In residential settings, the placement of all phone jacks in relation to light switches varies. Approximately 55% are placed higher than switches, while 45% are placed lower. When planning for a phone on a kitchen countertop, several provisions can be made. Common approaches include firstly a surface mount jack, which involves installing a surface mount phone jack on the kitchen counter for easy access and relocation. Secondly, a pop-up phone module, which uses a pop-up phone module installed in a kitchen cabinet or the countertop itself, providing a concealed and aesthetically pleasing solution. Thirdly, a phone hub, which entails installing a phone hub that includes both a phone jack and additional features like universal serial bus charging ports or a speaker, creating a versatile and convenient charging and communications center. Additional considerations include location, cord length, cord management, and aesthetics. Location involves placing the phone jack or module in a convenient location that does not interfere with kitchen activities or appliance placement. Cord length requires ensuring that the phone cord is long enough to reach the desired location on the countertop. Cord management involves using cord organizers or clips to keep the phone cord out of the way and prevent tripping hazards. Aesthetics requires choosing a solution that complements the kitchen decor and does not detract from the overall design scheme.